Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends Reconnect loop. First, you need to open the League of Legends app. Click on OK to continue. Wait for it to open. Once you're in, you'll find your game settings. As you can see, the screen is stuck and it is not reconnecting your game. Go back to your desktop. Right-click on the game to open its properties. Go to Compatibility and select the options of Run this program in compatibility mode. Also, disable full screen optimization. Then click on Change High DPI settings. Here select High DPI Scaling Override. Then click on OK. Again, click on OK to save changes. This will fix the League of Legends Reconnect loop. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.